Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, I'm putting together another fire kit, and I just want to show you a few of these fire steels that I have. I got a few in the mail actually a couple of days ago, and I just want to show them off a little bit. A couple of the old ones that I had, not all of them, but a couple of the old ones that I had. One is a arrowhead fire steel, the traditional type shape fire steel. A couple of the new ones that I got is a bear claw fire steel. Here's a horse head fire steel, and I like this one so much that I went ahead and requested another one. I'm going to tell you where I got these at. I got them from a place called, it was ABOLISHED by Merkware. These are great fire steels. They're fairly expensive though. It's like 20 bucks a piece. And the flint that you get with them is just trash. It's no good at all. Here's the other one that I got for a friend of mine. It's still in the pack. I want to show you how good they work. There's a piece of flint that you know I find around here. Here's the traditional shaped fire steel. Throws a great spark. The arrowhead, it throws a great spark. The bear claw, a little harder to hold, but it throws a great spark. And there's the horse head one. It throws a great spark. And when you're striking a flint and steel, you want to take your steel and just graze it along the sharp edge of your flint. And what that does, it scrapes a little bit of metal off and you know causes a spark. Let's see how it works. Now I've got a couple of different things here that I use for tinder, but I haven't got to try this yet. This is just a lamp wick that I've charred. I've heard it has been, you know, it's very good, but I've never got to try one yet. Let me tear it apart a little bit because it's kind of thick. And give it a shot. Let's see here. There we go. That ought to be a good place for it. Good sharp edge. I'm going to use the horse head one. Look at that. Didn't even take much of a spark at all. It caught spark easy. Look at that. Oh, that is nice. If everything wasn't so wet, I'd show you how to get a fire going. But everything's soaked, I guess. Hold on a minute. Let's see. See if I can find something inside here. Not too wet. All right, here we go. It's been in there in the floor. It stays damp down here, but it might be dry enough to where it'll catch flame. All you gotta do, you take your ember, you wrap it up in your tinder, and blow it into flame. Here's my big bad mamma jamma, my beast. Biggest, baddest ferro rod in the world. I love doing that. 6" by 1" flame throwing son of a gun right there. But yep, this is it. ABOLISHED by Merkware. They have a lot of different designs, and they're great fire steels. I've had a lot of questions, people asking me, what kind of fire steel do you use? Well, that's what I pretty much use, except for a homemade one made for me by my buddy. I got a same guy who sells the ferro rods, Nathan 4071. Oh yeah. But here's a few things that I put into my fire kits. I got some chaga. Chaga is a fungus that grows on some kind of trees that people actually boil and make tea out of. I tried it once and it gave me the craps. I got some regular cotton balls. That takes a spark real good too. Of course, I've got char cloth. A small Bic lighter. Small ferro rod, and like I said, of course, my flint and steel. That's pretty much all I keep into my in my fire kits. Besides, you know, what's not in the actual tin itself, and I keep a couple small pieces of fat wood. This is fat wood, but it's a lot bigger than what I'd usually take. I'd usually have a piece about yay big that would fit down into one of my bags. Like this fire kit right here, this bag, something that fit in there pretty easily, and I'll just take one piece because it's like it's everywhere around here. Abundant source of it around here. And of course, to hold it all shut, I've got a Ranger band. I never had been too big of a fan of Ranger bands until recently, when I found out that they burn good. You can get your fire going real good with those too. Never did know they burnt so good, but they do. Anyway, that's it, y'all. Sorry to bore you to death, but I did anyway. And I'm out of here. I'll see you later.